So to keep track when you are making a chain with 77 chains, I like to put a safety pin every 25 chains. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 25. Okay. And then I did that again at 50 and at 75. And then we have 2 extra chains here, and those are called turning chains. They make like the side wall on the side of this next row that we're going to do. And the next row is going to be single crochet. So the way you do that is you put the head of the hook through a V, and in this case you put it through the V where that safety pin is. You bring the yarn through once, and then you wrap around the hook and you pinch again with your left thumb and middle finger. You draw the hook through both loops, and that is a single crochet. So now we're going to go right in through that next hole, front to back, grab the yarn and bring it forward, grab the yarn again and bring it through 2. That process is called a single crochet, and the abbreviation is SC. Front to back, draw the yarn back through, the yarn comes around the hook and through both loops. So you can see you're starting to build your first row. Do that all the way to the end of the row, and I'll see you then.